We'd also like to thank our two brilliant dancers, Emer Mulvey and Chloe McCann from Broglia Brever Dance School. So make sure you check us out we're on Facebook and Instagram at Tirera CCE, TIRERAGH and give us a shout out if you're taking any pictures. So we'll finish off with 2 reels and we want to see everyone up dancing.
Out of those chairs. Get out of those chairs there. Ready? And 1, 2.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your night and you're in for a treat with Dervish.